Panasonic's PA-N Series 140A General Power Relays are 5-amp slim power relays that comply with IEC 61010 reinforced insulation standards for PLCs and other factory automation devices and industrial equipment. The PA-N Series relays feature a slim 5 by 20 mm footprint with a 12.5 mm height that enables high-density mounting while providing sufficient creepage and clearance. They have reinforced insulation with a 3000 volt breakdown voltage, and they can withstand surges up to 6000 volts, providing compatibility with the latest standards. The PA-N Series relays are built with excellent shock resistance for improved safety and reliability in challenging industrial environments, and they comply with standard for hazardous location ANSI ISA 12.12.01 regulations. Panasonic's PA-N Series relays are available with coil voltages from 3 to 24 volts DC, and operating power has been reduced for improved energy efficiency compared to conventional relays.